Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. Do your legs often feel tired, weak or heavy? For many people, leg power fades due to poor circulation, muscle fatigue or joint stiffness. The truth is, your legs carry the weight of your entire body every single day. They deserve strong nutrition to stay powerful. The good news is, science has shown that certain foods can restore circulation, rebuild muscle fibers, strengthen bones and protect joints, giving you stronger legs in as little as 12 hours. Here are 6 of the most powerful foods for leg health. First is beetroot. Beets are like rocket fuel for your legs because they increase nitric oxide in the body, widening blood vessels and boosting circulation. This means more oxygen reaches your leg muscles, giving them stamina and strength even after hours of walking or exercise. Second, spinach. Rich in magnesium, calcium, and iron, spinach supports both muscle contraction and bone density. These minerals prevent heavy, weak legs and give your muscles the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform at their best. Third is salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, salmon reduces joint inflammation and repairs damaged muscle fibers. If your legs ache after activity, salmon helps restore flexibility and power quickly. Fourth is almonds. A small handful provides vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats that protect muscles from oxidative stress and reduce cramps. Almonds are especially powerful for keeping leg muscles smooth and flexible. Fifth, cherries. Rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins, cherries reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, making them ideal for restoring strength after exercise. They also protect leg joints from long-term wear and tear. Sixth is sardines. These tiny fish are a secret weapon for leg health because they deliver calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s all in one. Together, these nutrients strengthen bones, protect joints, and improve muscle recovery, vital for powerful legs. Strong legs don't just happen at the gym, they are built in the kitchen. But for the best results, combine these foods with regular exercise like walking, stretching, or light strength training, and your legs will carry you farther, faster, and with more strength than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger legs today.